Hey everybody, this is Matt with Matt Marketing Bay, and in this tutorial I will show you how you can create your very own WordPress blogging system. As you can see in front of you, I have my personal WordPress blog site up and running. This is my Work with Matt Marketing Bay main site. As you can see here, I have some menu items up here and have my social media connections up in the top right corner, my articles or what have you. So I still have some things to upload. I still have some content that I need to put on here, but as you can see, creativity knows no bounds, and there are an unlimited number of things that you can do with having a WordPress blog. So first, before you get started, you're gonna need three things. Number one, you're gonna need a domain name, and I would recommend GoDaddy.com. So you want to go to GoDaddy.com, and this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna search for your domain. All right, let's just say free domain for took me down, free domain for $99, and it's just an example. I'm not gonna really buy it, but okay, so this is available. So if you search for a domain name and it's available, you're gonna click add, and this is how you get a domain. So it says one domain added. You're gonna go to continue checkout, and you're gonna go to no thanks. And ladies and gentlemen, I have a code that you can use that will last until December 31st of this year. It is a deal that will allow you to purchase a domain for 99 cents. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to 1 year. Alright, as you can see, that's the normal price, and you're gonna go to have a promo code. You're gonna click on that, and it's gonna say enter promo or your referral code, and you're gonna type in 99 SMBF. And it says the code is invalid. Alright, that's wrong. It's SMB99F. There, that should work. Alright, so as you can see, you save $14, and it's 99 cents plus the ICANN fee of 18 cents. So if you have $1.17 to spare, I would recommend you go ahead and follow through with this process. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna proceed to the checkout. It's gonna ask you for your name or whatever. It's gonna ask for your new customer. If so, then it's just gonna ask you to fill out a short little profile, first and last name, blah blah blah, account information. This will be your login. This is important. Make sure you do this if you don't already have a GoDaddy.com account. Payment information, put that in, pay for it. It's gonna take you to the confirmation screen and everything of that nature. So once you're finished and you have your login information and everything, and you're done with your GoDaddy domain name, you are going to log in. And so I'm just gonna log in with mine right quick, and I'm gonna log in. Alright, and it says hi Matt, so I'm gonna go to my name right here and click on visit my account. Now I already set up this domain already, but I'm just gonna show you how it's really done. So once you're in your back office, you're gonna click on domains, and you're gonna choose the domain that you just purchased. I'm gonna go with very little cash because that's the one I just recently purchased. So you're gonna click on that, and it's gonna take you to the domain details page. Now you're gonna go right here to name servers, and as you can see, I have different name servers than the ones that I initially received when I purchased it. So you're gonna click on manage, and it's gonna, at first it's gonna be on standard, but then you're gonna click on custom. Alright, you're gonna go from standard to custom, and what's gonna happen is you're gonna go to add name server, and you're gonna add those two name servers. It's gonna give you the option to add two new name servers. So your two new name servers will be ns5.awardspace.com, and your second will be ns6.awardspace.com. If you have to pause the screen to jot that down, please do, and make sure you have those two because that will be important. So what you're going to do is you're going to save this information. When you put it in, you're going to hit save, and then you're going to have to wait anywhere from half an hour upwards of 24 hours. It just depends on it just depends. So sometimes it happens sooner than later, sometimes it happens later rather than sooner. So once you're done with that, that's pretty much it. You can log out, and once you're done, you're gonna open up a new tab. You're gonna go to awardspace.com. You're gonna go here to create a free hosting account, and so you're gonna go here where it says free web hosting. You get 250 megabytes of disk space, 5 gigabytes of traffic. You get to host 1 domain, 3 subdomains, and you get 1 SQL database. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click there to get it. And so it's gonna have this blah 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 stuff here, right here. Don't pay any attention to that. This is a free hosting site. Just go to continue at the bottom, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill out all of this information, and then you're gonna click on the open circle or whatever and click continue, and you're gonna follow through with that process, and it's gonna tell you to check your email to click on a confirmation link. And once you click on that confirmation link, it's gonna take you to the actual back office. So I'm gonna actually log into my back office right now. So let's see, where's my sign up email? All right. So we're gonna do this, and this is a very easy, straightforward process. All right, so we're in the back office. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go here to Domain Manager, right here, and you're gonna go down and you're gonna select Host a Domain, and you're gonna enter the domain that you want to host. So I'm just gonna put one of my other domains, or I'm just gonna put my hosting.com. I'll just put that. So don't put the www dot, just put the name.com. So it says I've reached the maximum amount of domains. So this is just an example. What's gonna happen is when you put that domain that you just purchased here into that slot, it's gonna appear down here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply just leave it at that. All right, and once you're done with that, you're gonna go up to hosting tools, all right, and you're gonna go to MySQL databases. You're gonna select MySQL databases. Now you should already have a database set up, all right, you should see that. So once you have a database set up, all right, all you're simply gonna do is gonna go to hosting tools, and you're gonna go to FTP manager. All right, once you're at FTP manager, you're gonna copy down this information right here, this FTP username. If you can, write this down. It'll make the process much easier to do. All right, so once you get that FTP down, that username, okay, once you've done that, then you can log out for now. So now you're gonna open up another tab, and you're gonna go to file. You're gonna download a program called FileZilla. This is gonna enable you to transfer the WordPress file that you need to install on that hosting account so you can start using WordPress. So you're gonna go to FileZilla.org. Well, not FileZilla.org. Type FileZilla and do a Google search. There, and you're gonna see FileZilla, the free FTP solution. You're gonna go here. So it's FileZilla.project.org. You're gonna download the FileZilla client. Once you download the FileZilla client, you're gonna want to install it. Look in your download folder for the FileZilla installation file. Install FileZilla, and once you've installed FileZilla, you are going to open FileZilla. So we're going to open FileZilla, and I'm already logged in, so I'm gonna log out. Alright, I'm gonna log out, and now I'm just going to go here. To log into your FTP account, you need to enter your website name into the host box. So my website name is verylittlecash.com, and the username is going to be that string of numbers that I just asked you to write down. So you're going to enter those numbers, and then you're going to enter the password that you created to sign up into your AwardSpace account. And once you do that, you're going to hit Quick Connect. Again, if you need time to catch up, just feel free to pause the video. You can rewind if you might have missed something. So now, as you can see, this is your verylittlecash.com directory. So you're going to double click. Alright, and so now you have that directory. Alright, so now you're connected to your web FTP file directory. So now you're going to go back and you're going to go to WordPress.org. You're going to download WordPress. Click on this big blue button. Download WordPress again. It's going to say save file. Save it. The file is saved. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go and you're going to look for WordPress. Should be somewhere in here. Alright. So where are we? Alright, here we go. So here's a WordPress file. What you're going to do is you're going to extract it. So now you have the folder extracted. So now all you have to do is X that out, open up FileZilla, and you're going to search for that directory. So we're going to go to my downloads. Where are we? Downloads. Here we go. So this is just where you search for your directory with the My Documents and everything, and look for the Downloads directory. Alright. I'm going to scroll down because mostly the files are at the bottom. You're going to go to WordPress. Double click. Now all you have to do is drag everything below this folder. Don't select the folder. Just drag everything below the folder. Go all the way down. Drag and drop. Now this might take a few minutes while all the files load, and once the files load, you will now be able to set up your WordPress. And on the second, or should I say, yeah, second part of the video, I will show you how to log into WordPress and load a theme so you can start using your WordPress. So thank you for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Matt with Work with Matt Marketing Bay, and I will see you on part 2 of this series. Alright guys, so now that we're done with loading our WordPress files into our directory, as you can see now, You should have all of those files in your directory.